Hi everyone, today I got these new lights and now we are going to install them on my buggy.
They are just like these ones, with backlight, but these are red.
And mine will glow green.
First let's install the mount. Give me the bolt. Alright, let's try fitting the light.
Let's do it.
Something like this. Now we connect the wires. Insulate them. Second one. Unscrew this bolt. Now tighten it.
Done?
More. Now we will secure it from the bottom with a zip tie. Alright, now let's connect the switch. Now we screw the panel back on. And now the top. Right here.
What about here? Just a small screw.
We need a screwdriver. Wait.
Here.
Tighten yours. Is it tightening?
Yeah. Alright, it's secured now.
Last two bolts.
Done.
Now it's time for a test.
Finally. Oh, the backlight is on. Even brighter than yours. Nice. Now try turning on the main light. Oh, that's bright.
Looks cool with the horns glowing. Alright, let's install the second one.
Yeah.
Go ahead, tighten it here. That's enough, stop. Now connect it. Tighten. Red to red. And insulate it. Now connecting the second light.
Yes, it works. Both of them.
It works?
Yeah. Finally, we did it.
Looks awesome.
Yes, really cool.
Now we just need to add the stickers. Something like this?
Yeah.
And on the other side too.
A little higher, so it will be in the middle, like this. Yeah.
Now it's time for a test drive.
So, this is how my lights look at night. And now we are going for a night test drive.
Yeah, let's ride in the night forest. Let's go.
Let's go!
So, how do you like the lights?
I like them. They look cool.
Do they shine better?
Yeah, much better. To the sides and forward, everything is way more visible.
Got it.
And if you liked my lights, hit the like button. Bye bye.
Bye.